A land surveyor in Faridabad is a professional who specializes in measuring and mapping the physical features of a piece of land. They play a crucial role in various industries such as real estate, construction, and urban planning. The primary duty of a land surveyor is to accurately determine the boundaries and dimensions of a property, as well as identify any existing structures or natural features. By conducting detailed surveys using advanced equipment and techniques, they provide valuable information that helps in decision-making processes related to land development and design. One of the key tasks performed by a land surveyor in Faridabad is to establish property lines. This involves researching historical records, conducting field measurements, and analyzing legal documents to determine the exact boundaries of a piece of land. By doing so, they help prevent disputes and ensure that individuals or organizations own and use their properties within the legal limits. They also provide essential information for property transactions, such as buying or selling land, as the accurate boundaries must be known to avoid any future conflicts. In addition to boundary surveys, land surveyors in Faridabad also play a vital role in designing infrastructure projects. Whether it's a new road, building, or residential development, accurate survey data is essential for the planning and design stages. By mapping the existing features of the land and creating precise topographic surveys, surveyors provide engineers and architects with the necessary information to design structures that are compatible with the surrounding environment. This includes factors such as slope analysis, drainage patterns, and elevation data, which are crucial for determining the feasibility and safety of a project. In conclusion, land surveyors in Faridabad are highly skilled professionals who play a critical role in various aspects of land development and design. A specialist who specializes in measuring and mapping the physical features of a piece of land is known as a land surveyor in Faridabad. They are essential in a number of fields, including real estate, building, and urban planning. A land surveyor's main responsibility is to precisely determine a property's boundaries and dimensions, as well as to identify any existing structures or natural features. They provide useful information that aids in decision-making processes connected to land development and design by conducting thorough surveys utilizing cutting-edge tools and methods. Identifying property lines is one of the main duties carried out by a land surveyor in Faridabad. To ascertain the precise limits of an area, this requires reviewing historical records, taking measurements in the field, and reviewing legal documents. A land surveyor in Faridabad is a specialist in calculating and charting the physical characteristics of a plot of land. In a variety of fields, including real estate, construction, and urban planning, they are essential players. And precise measurement of a property's boundaries and measurements, as well as the identification of any existing structures or natural features, are the main responsibilities of a land surveyor. They provide useful information that aids in decisions about land development and design by carrying out thorough surveys with the use of cutting-edge tools and methods. Establishing property lines is a crucial activity carried out by a land surveyor in Faridabad.